Hi there. Here's a workshop that business leaders and the senior management of your organization probably need to undergo every few years. Considering that business leaders and senior management set goals for the organization, develop strategies for market leadership, uphold organizational culture, build brands, manage risk, and lead by example, to name a few, it just seems wise to ensure this leadership remains at its cutting edge. Yet, the question has always been, can they afford to sit in a classroom learning another leadership skill? That's why this workshop, Managing Blind Spots in Leadership, is built precisely to make the time leaders spend in a classroom worthwhile. Chances are, all leaders already possess what it takes to be effective. What they need is to be constantly on top of their possible blind spots whenever they make decisions. And because you can customize these blind spots to your organization's situations, this could possibly be the most essential workshop your leaders will need. Look at what this workshop covers. This workshop isn't really about learning a new skill. It's about maximizing the effectiveness of your leaders' existing skills. This workshop helps your leaders make more effective decisions. By putting difficult situations on the table, leaders share their unique experiences on each scenario, and in the process learn how to overcome their blind spots while becoming better prepared to face these challenges. Everyone has blind spots, but blind spots become especially significant in leadership. Your leaders need to at least know where their blind spots are. This workshop will help keep your leaders consistently at the cutting edge of decision making.